Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Open the Plugins menu from the top bar or press Shift plus P to quickly search, run, or manage plugins in Figma. You can also access plugins from the right-click context menu when an object is selected. Install plugins from Community by clicking the Community tab, choosing a plugin page, and clicking Install. Installed plugins appear under your plugins. Grant permissions when prompted so the plugin can access the current file, selection, or layers. Revoke permissions later in the plugin settings if needed. To install, open the Community tab, search or browse categories, open a plugin page, and click Install. The plugin moves to your plugins and the plugins menu. Updates appear as prompts in Figma. Accept automatic updates or reinstall from Community to get the latest version if needed. Review plugin details, version notes, and author information on the plugin page before installing to ensure compatibility with your Figma version and team policies. Remove a plugin from your plugins if it no longer fits your workflow. Before running a plugin, review its requested permissions and the author reputation to decide whether to trust it with file access. Avoid granting full team admin access unless necessary. Test new plugins on a duplicate file so you can observe behavior and avoid accidental destructive edits to your original. Use plugins for batch tasks like renaming layers, export automation for assets, or component management to speed workflows and maintain consistency. If a plugin behaves unexpectedly, disable or
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.